Hello, and here is my demonstration of block 2. We see our circuit setup where we have pin 36 for the ADC of the potentiometer in, and we have pin 33 up there for the PWM out to this LED. I'll go ahead and I will run it. It's asking for the time, and we see that the LED has not yet started blinking. We will input the time. So the year is 2026, the month it's February, the day it is the 21st, week it is Saturday, that is a 5. It is currently 9:47. Let's check on the seconds. It would be around 40 seconds here, right about now. We see the LED then starts to blink, where the potentiometer doesn't have an effect on the blinking or the duty cycle. We can switch it into frequency mode by pressing the button, where we can see the frequency decrease or increase based on the value of the potentiometer. And then we can switch it into the duty mode. And again, we're not messing with the frequency, but we can see that the light gets dimmer or brighter. And now we have the option to switch back and forth between the frequency and again to the duty cycle. Turn it off, make it brighter, all while the frequency stays the same. All the while, we've been getting updates of the time. We have it outputting in 2 lines here, where it has the current date in a viewable format and the current time. And it's been updating every 30 seconds, as we can see here.